Namaste, beautiful souls. Find your way to a comfortable seat. You can place your sits bones up on a bolster or a cushion. And we'll begin this practice by chanting the Adi Mantra 3 times. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. I bow to the divine creative consciousness within myself and with all of us, within all of us. So bring the hands to prayer at the heart. Rub the palms together vigorously. Draw the shoulder blades toward one another and bring the palms to stillness. Press the thumb into the heart. Take a deep breath in and out. And breathe in to tune in. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Breathe in all the way. Pause, suspend the breath, press the belly out. Whenever you're ready, release the breath, release the hands onto the thighs, palms face down. And just take a moment to feel into the energy, the connection that we've created here. Slowly blink the eyes open. We'll start this Krya with just some warm-ups first before we actually move into the healthy bowel system Krya. So the first thing that we will do is begin with breath of fire. If you've not done breath of fire before, it is a quick staccato inhale and exhale. The inhale is passive, the exhale is strong, equal distance, equal breath. And as you do so, you'll pump the belly, the navel, in and up with each breath. So it's quite strong. Inhale all the way. Exhale completely. And we'll begin, inhale halfway. And exhale through the nose, pumping the navel towards the spine. And if you've really never done this before and it feels awkward or uncomfortable through the nose, you can open the mouth, stick the tongue out, and sort of pant like a dog. Really using the pump of the navel to press the air out. And when you feel comfortable doing that, you can close the mouth again and bring it back to the nose. Closing the eyes here if that feels comfortable. Allowing the breath to be strong, again, equally in and out. Knowing that this practice, this breath of fire, is really an important support for the digestive system. So it ignites the Agni, the digestive fire, breath of fire, Agni, digestive fire. So here we're really bringing that heat into the digestive tract. And this healthy bowel system Krya is all about supporting the natural digestive functions, right? Helping with the digestive fire, with the intestinal intestines with the actual excavation of the waste systems in the body. So we're here for 30 more seconds. Keep it up. Inhale all the way, pause, suspend the breath at the top, press the belly out, draw the Mula Bandha rather, up and in. Pause and hold, and when you're ready, exhale all the way. Taking just a moment here to feel into the energy that you've now ignited in the area of the first, second chakra. Beautiful. Now bring the hands to the shoulders, thumbs on the back of the shoulders, fingers on the front, triceps parallel with the ground. And from here, you'll inhale left, your left, make sure it's your left. Exhale right. Make sure the breath is powerful. Inhaling left. Exhaling right, keep the elbows high, or at least the triceps parallel with the ground. So you might notice the elbow begin to sink towards the ground. That's okay, try to keep your attention there. Chin parallel. And twists are known to be good for the digestive function as well, because as you twist, you compress the organs within the abdomen. And when you untwist, the blood rushes back into the space there, which begins to flush out the system. It supports the circulation in the organs, and it also can help tighten up the muscles in the area. Again, bringing that blood, that circulation there, which is the flushing of the system. So 30 more seconds here. Inhale, pause, hold, keep the hands there, keep the elbows high. Draw Mula Bandha, the navel, sex organs, rectum up and in, squeeze and hold. And whenever you're ready, release. Keep the attention inward, notice the energy fluctuations. Notice what's going on energetically within the body. Without judgment, simply bring your awareness to how the energy may be moving. And for our final movement of the warm-up, we're going to take Kundalini frog. So coming onto your toes, bring the heels together, balls of the feet on the mat and the knees wide. Your hands will be placed in front of your feet, and quite a lot of the weight is in the hands actually. So 30 to 40% of your weight is distributed here. And as you inhale, your heart And as you inhale, straighten the legs, lift the hips to the sky. Exhale, drop the hips back to the heels, open the heart, keeping the hands on the ground. Inhale, the booty up towards the sky, head towards the ground. Exhale, lift the heart, smile. This is a little bit opposite what we would normally think with our inhales and exhales here. So just go with it. Move the booty up as you inhale, head down. As you exhale, open the heart, smile, draw the shoulders down and back. And if this doesn't feel good on the knees, you can also come in to a standing position with the knees wide, the feet wider than hip distance apart, coming into a baby horse stance. And as you inhale, you'll bend the knees, coming into the horse stance. As you exhale, straighten the legs, bring the torso parallel to the ground. Inhale back up, bend the knees. Exhale, straighten the leg, torso to the ground. So it's a little bit of a different breath pattern and movement. So you choose whichever one works best for you, and we'll be here for another minute. You can go as fast or as slow as you'd like here. Inhales and exhales are equal length. Drawing the energy up the body. Last one. Pause and hold with the heart lifted if you have the bent knees. Otherwise, with the torso parallel, if you are with the straighter legged variation, pause and hold, smile, relax the shoulders. And from here, make your way to a seat. Take the legs long in front of you, flex the toes towards the sky. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, forward fold in the direction of the toes. You don't need to reach the toes, of course. You can always grab onto the shins or take a strap and bring them around the bottom of the feet. Relax the shoulders. Soften the gaze and the breath. Inhale, come back up. Cross the right leg on the outside of the left knee. Take the right arm behind you. Inhale, reach up with the left. Exhale, twist. Inhale, come to center, switching sides. Right leg long, left foot in. Gentle twist to the left. Come back to center. Come into a cross-legged seat. And we'll close this practice with a long sat, short nam. Bring the hands to the heart, rub the palms together to create heat, friction, raise the energy to the channels that begin and end in the palms of the hands. Bring the palms to the heart. Take a deep breath in and out. And inhale to close. Sat Nam. Sat Nam, beautiful souls.